wonder what is the most important thing that you can do to raise a child who is both curious and self-confident to stay attuned or in tune with their emotional state? And this starts even before they can tell you how they're feeling. So this is way back from when they're a baby. There was a paper in 1989 by one of the famous researchers, Edward Tronick. He did a lot of research in child-parent connections and development. And one of the things that is really interesting is it's not even so much about getting it right all the time. In fact, as parents, we are naturally going to misread our kids, have our own emotions, and mess up 1,000,001 times, right? But the cool thing is that the most important protective factor to help raise curious, confident kids is in our attempts at repair. So when we notice that we miscalculated or we misattuned with our child, that we come back with curiosity ourselves, we model it. We say, hey, how are you feeling? Or if they're pre-verbal, we do it with our faces and our body language. Means that we need to be aware as much as we can of how our child is feeling to respond in a compassionate way ourselves, which means we also need to take care of our own feelings and to try not to be defensive and to have true empathy, which means that in that moment, you're thinking, whoa, I know how it feels to feel the way my kid is feeling right now. And that's a pretty yucky, strong feeling. How can I support them? Model it, reflect back to them that you get what's going on. Oh my gosh, you broke your toy. That was your favorite toy. I totally get it. Even if they're just crying and you know what's going on, model it and use words to explain it to them. That's how they know that you care and that you're right there in tune with them or attuned to them.